Hi students, this is Satyavija from CSC department. The subject name is Flat Formal Languages Automata and Theory. This is second CSC. Yeah, already we completed 2 units. In third unit we have last topic is normal forms. Here why we are using normal forms means already we know about context free grammar. In that context free grammar we have some limitations. What are the limitations means we have null productions, we have epsilon productions, we have unit productions, we have uh, useless symbols. That's why we have to reduce the grammar in CFG. In CFG we don't have standardized the grammar. There is no specific format for RHS of productions. That's why we are using the normal forms. Here normalization it is performed in order to standardize the grammar. In by reducing the grammar gets minimized but does not gets standardized. Mm, this is because the RHS of productions have no specific format. Here, in order to standardize the grammar, normalization is performed using normal forms. In order to standardize the grammar, means we have some restrictions in normal forms. We have to standardize the grammar by using normal forms. In these normal forms, we have two types. In this, there are two types in normal forms. First one, Chomsky normal form. Second one, Grebe normal form. First one. First one, Chomsky normal form. In this, a context-free grammar is said to be in Chomsky normal form if all its productions are in the form. Here, in this Chomsky normal form, what is the form means, how it is like means here, non-terminal tends to non-terminal into non-terminal. Non-terminal tends to only single terminal. Here like this, CNF is 8, capital A tends to capital BC, capital A tends to small a. Here ABC are the non-terminals, small a is the terminal. From here to be in CNF, all the productions must derive either two non-terminals or a single terminal. Here CNF restricts the number of symbols on the right side of a production to be 2. Means in CNF there are some restrictions. The grammar like non-terminal tends to two non-terminals only, non-terminal tends to terminal only. The productions are the grammar said to be in CNF. Next, the two symbols must be non-terminals or a single terminal. Here, this is the example. S tends to capital S tends to capital AB, capital A tends to small a. Next, capital B tends to small b. This CFG is in CNF. Next, what is the process convert CFG into CNF? How we convert the CFG grammar into CNF? Here first step, you have to follow some procedure here. First step, you have to reduce the grammar completely by eliminating epsilon productions, eliminating unit productions, eliminating useless symbols. Here in CFG, is there any null productions, unit productions, useless symbols? Have to eliminate. Already we learn about these reduce the grammar. Next, second step is have to replace each production of the form like this. Here capital A tends to capital B1, capital B2, capital B3, so on Bn, where n greater than 2 with A tends to B1 capital C. Here capital C is the B2, B3, so on Bn. Why we have to replace means here in CNF, what are the productions are in CNF means non-terminal tends to two non-terminals only. Non-terminal tends to only single terminal. That's why you have to replace like this. Is there any form in this production? Is there any form like this production? Here capital A tends to B1, B2, B3 means here there are more than two non-terminals. That's why we are taking new variable capital C here. Capital C tends to B2, B3, so on, Bn. Now repeat this step for all the productions having more than two variables. More than two variables, on that time we have to repeat this second step on RHS. Next third step. Replace each production of the form capital A tends to small a capital B with capital A tends to capital X capital B. Here we take new variable capital X. Means here what is the rule for the CNF? Means non-terminal tends to only two non-terminals, non-terminal tends to only single terminal. But is there any is in the form of this production? Here capital A tends to small a capital B. Here terminal into non-terminal. That's why he take here new variable capital X. Capital X tends to small a. Here repeat this step for all the productions having in the form of capital A tends to small a capital B. Next example. This is the example based on CNF. Here convert the given grammar to CNF. Here capital S tends to small a capital D. Capital A tends to small a capital B or small b capital A capital B. Here capital B tends to small b. Here capital D tends to small d. This is the given grammar. You have to convert to CNF. Here in this grammar already it is reduced. Means how it is means here in the given grammar we don't have useless symbols, we don't have null productions, we don't have useless unit productions. That's why already the grammar is reduced. Next step, in the given grammar the productions already in CNF. In this question B tends to small b, capital D tends to small d. These two productions already in CNF. This a capital S tends to small a capital D. Capital A tends to small a capital B or small b capital A capital B. These two productions are not in CNF. That's why we will convert these productions in CNF. Next step. Have to replace with the terminal symbol small a and small b by new variables. Means CA and CB. I take here C suffix A and C suffix B. Here these two are non-terminals. Capital C suffix A, capital C suffix B. Have to replace with these terminal symbols with new variables. Here after replacing CA tends to small a, CB tends to small b. After that we modify the grammar. Capital S tends to, here this is the question here, S tends to small a capital D. Capital A tends to small a capital B or small b capital A capital B. In this we take new variables. CA tends to small a, CB tends to small b. That's why after modification capital S tends to CA capital A capital D, capital A tends to CA B CB AB, CA B CB AB. After replace here these two productions after modification we get this grammar. In this grammar also this is not in CNF. That's why we have to replace AD. Here CA AD mean these have three non-terminals. Here the one CA B CB AB, these are four non-terminals. But in CNF what are the rules here? Non-terminal tends to only two non-terminals. That's why we have to replace with AD and AB by new variables. I take here CAD and C suffix AB respectively. Here this is done by introducing the following new productions in the grammar. Here CAD tends to capital AD, CAB tends to AB. This is the after. Next, here the productions After modification, we get the grammar like this. Capital S tends to CA, CAD. A tends to CAB, CB, CAB. These are the, after modification we get these productions. Here capital S tends to CA, CAD. Means this is a CA is the non-terminal, CAD is the non-terminal. Means two non-terminals. Capital A tends to CAB. Two non-terminals. This is the two non-terminals. Means the CNF. In CNF, what are the CNF rules? Means is a non-terminal tends to two non-terminals. Non-terminal tends to terminal. After modifies the grammar, the resultant grammar is like this. Capital S tends to CA, CAD. Capital A tends to CAB, CB, CAB. Here capital B tends to small b, capital D tends to small d, CA tends to CA, CB tends to AB, CAD tends to AD, CAB tends to AB. The resultant grammar, this grammar is in CNF. Here this is the resultant grammar here. S tends to CACD. Means here capital S means non-terminal tends to two non-terminals. Here non-terminal tends to terminal. This grammar is in CNF. This is the procedure. This is the procedure to convert CFG to CNF. This is the process. Next, second problem. Convert the grammar CFG into CNF. Here capital S tends to AB, capital A, capital B. Capital A tends to B, capital A, capital B or epsilon. Capital B tends to B, capital A, small a or epsilon. Here in this grammar we have null productions. There is no unit productions. There are no useless symbols. But we have null productions here. First step, we have to remove these null productions. A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon. These null productions must be removed, and after that the grammar can be converted into CNF. After removing the null productions, the modified grammar like this. Here capital A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon. We have to replace. Here capital S tends to small AB, AB. Next, here capital B tends to epsilon. We have to replace capital B tends to epsilon. We get AB, capital A. Capital A. Next, capital A tends to epsilon. We have to replace AB, capital B or AB. Means A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon. We have to replace. We get AB. Next, capital A tends to small b, capital AB. We have to replace B tends to epsilon. We get BA. Tends to epsilon, BB or B. Likewise B production also. After that I take new variable here, new variables here. CA tends to small a, CB tends to small b. Here I take C suffix A and C suffix B. These are the two non-terminals. I take two new variables. S tends to CA, AB. Here CA tends to small a, CB tends to small b. Then the new grammar is like this. The new grammar is like this. Here S tends to CA, CB, AB, CA, CB, A, CA, CB, B, CA, CB. Here capital tends to CB, AB, CBA, CBB, B. Here B tends to BA, CA, ACA, BCA. In this S, A and B are the non-terminals. CA, CB also non-terminal. Small a, small b is the terminals. In this grammar, in the modified grammar we get like this. Here these are not in CNF. S, CA, CB, AB. Next CA, CB, A. Here three non-terminals. Here three non-terminals. That's why this is not in CNF. Next, capital A tends to CB, AB. Here this production is not in CNF. That's why you have to take another two non-terminals here, D and E, which will replace CA, CB and AB. Here D tends to CA, CB, E tends to AB. Here after replacing the new variables, we get new modified grammar like this. Here capital S tends to DE, S tends to DA. S tends to DB, capital A tends to CBE, B tends to ECA. The resultant grammar is like this. S tends to DE, DA, DB, CA, CB. Capital A tends to CBE, CBA, CBB, B. Like this. Means here non-terminal tends to two non-terminals, non-terminal tends to terminal. The resultant grammar is in CNF. In this, how we convert means first step, first you have to, in the CFG grammar, is there any null, is there any reduced grammar, is there any null productions and useless symbols, is there any unit productions, you have to eliminate that. After that, next step is you have to replace the new variable. It's in the form of capital A tends to n greater than 2, means more than 2 non-terminals. On that time you have to replace with new non-terminal. Next step, is there any production, is in the form of capital A tends to small a capital B, means here non-terminal into non-terminal. On that time you have to replace with the new non-terminal. After the modification we get the resultant grammar. This is the process, convert to CFG into CNF. Next class I'll tell about GNF, means grave normal form. Thank you.